Number 1. 1986 Dodge D150, price $4,500, with only 50,500 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior is finished in gray, while the interior complements its vintage appeal. Additionally, there is a 1986 Dodge W150 Power Wagon equipped with a powerful 5.9L V8 engine. Its four-wheel drive system functions perfectly, making it a reliable choice for off-road or tough road conditions. This truck comes with a long bed, providing ample cargo space. While it does not have air conditioning, the heater is fully operational, ensuring comfort in colder weather. All of the trim and door panels are included with the vehicle, though they have been removed for maintenance work. Number 2. 1992 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,000. With 188,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and runs on a 6.5L diesel engine. The exterior is finished in green, complemented by a tan interior. The truck runs and drives great, with no rust, and the frame is clean. The original window sticker is still available, and the bed is solid. Additionally, it comes with a hitch and an included toolbox. The interior is in excellent condition, though the emergency brake is not functional. Numerous new parts have been installed, with receipts available as proof. It has a new turbo, radiator, starter, and alternator, along with 2 brand new batteries. The truck also sits on brand new 18-inch Chevrolet wheels wrapped in new Goodyear tires. The modern upgrades include a touchscreen radio with Apple CarPlay, updated Chevy gauges, and LED lighting all around, including headlights, taillights, turn signals, and a working light bar. A new block heater has also been installed. Number 3. 1992 Ford F150, price $3,500, with 224,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and is finished in a bold red exterior with a gray interior. Running on gasoline, this classic pickup is equipped with a 5.0L 302 engine that starts and runs exceptionally well. Several upgrades and maintenance improvements have been made, including an aftermarket exhaust, new spark plugs and wires, and a newer interstate battery. The power steering pump has been replaced, along with the serpentine belt and belt tensioner, ensuring smooth operation. This truck is also equipped with both front and rear fuel tanks for extended range and convenience. As expected from a Michigan plow truck, it does have some typical rust, but despite its age and wear, it continues to perform impressively in snowy conditions. The interior remains in good shape, providing a comfortable driving experience. Number 4. 1984 Ford F150, price $7,000, with 168,000 miles, a manual transmission, and a bold black exterior with a red interior. It runs on gasoline and has undergone extensive upgrades, including a rebuilt 351 Windsor engine with less than 5,000 miles since the rebuild, a mild cam, and an Edelbrock ProFlow 4 fuel injection system operating at 100 psi from both tanks. It also features a fully custom exhaust, a limited-slip helix gear differential with new hardened axle shafts, an upgraded 11-inch clutch, a new starter and ring gear, all new U-joints, and a well-maintained braking system. Beyond performance enhancements, this F-150 offers modern comforts with an aftermarket stereo and upgraded speakers. It rides on brand new Toyo Open Country at 3 tires and has recently replaced shocks for a smoother ride. Both gas tanks have been renewed, ensuring reliability for daily driving or long hauls. Number 5. 1990 Chevrolet 2500, price $4,500. This is a reliable and well-running truck featuring a standard NV4500 manual transmission paired with a Chevy 350 engine. With 219,000 miles on the odometer, it remains a strong performer. The truck runs on gasoline and sports a red exterior along with a matching red interior, maintaining its classic appeal. While the body has some fading and a couple of dents on the driver's side, overall, it is in solid condition. Despite these minor cosmetic imperfections, it continues to be a dependable and capable vehicle. Number 6. 1993 GMC 1500, price $9,900, all original pickup that has been owned by a single owner since new. It features a rebuilt original V6 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, ensuring reliable performance even after 170,000 miles. The truck remains in excellent condition, with a solid body and an undercarriage that shows minimal signs of wear. There are no leaks of any kind, and it starts, runs, and drives flawlessly. The exterior is finished in a timeless green color, maintaining its original charm. This well-maintained GMC 1500 stands as a testament to durability and careful ownership, making it a great option for enthusiasts or anyone looking for a dependable classic truck.
Number 7.
1970 Ford F100, price $8,000. It has been upgraded with a 1989 straight 6300 engine, which has only 90,000 original miles. This engine starts up effortlessly and runs smoothly, enhanced by an Offenhauser 4-barrel intake paired with a 4-barrel Edelbrock carburetor. It is also equipped with an aftermarket radiator and electric fans, which are properly wired with a temperature sensor for optimal cooling. The truck was originally powered by a 360 engine, but due to its poor condition, it was replaced with the current motor. The transmission, also sourced from the 1989 vehicle, is installed but not fully operational, as it still requires a wiring harness or a replacement transmission that is fully compatible with the truck. While the vehicle does drive, it does not shift properly due to this incomplete setup. This classic truck features an automatic transmission, a sleek black exterior, and a matching black interior.
Number 8.
1989 Chevrolet 3500, price $6,500. It has been driven for 147,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission and a powerful 454 V8 engine. The exterior and interior are both brown, maintaining a cohesive and vintage aesthetic. This truck comes equipped with power windows and locks, adding a touch of convenience to its rugged design. The body is clean and straight, and the vehicle is in running, driving, and stopping condition. However, it has been sitting for a long time and requires a tune-up to be completed, with some parts already stored in the back seat. Additionally, it needs a few new tires, though a spare and a couple of better tires are currently in the truck bed. It comes with a clean Arkansas title.
Number 9.
1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,000, with a manual transmission, a carbureted 350 engine, and 4-wheel drive. It has a blue exterior and matching blue interior. The truck runs strong, described as running like a scared cat. The body and frame are rust-free, and the overall structure is straight. While the interior shows some wear, it can be restored with some effort. Recent maintenance includes a new upper ball joint and driver's side wheel hub, with an extra hub included for future use. The 4-wheel drive system works properly, and the passenger side mirror has minor play but comes with a new replacement. The oil was changed recently, ensuring it's well maintained and ready to drive.
Number 10.
1984 Dodge W150, price $7,000. This truck features a powerful 318 V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, offering a robust and engaging driving experience. With 102,000 miles on the odometer, it remains in great condition. The exterior and interior are both finished in blue, maintaining its original vintage appeal. Running on gasoline, this truck has received several new parts, ensuring reliability and performance. These include a new fuel pump, radiator, alternator, front locking hubs, drive shaft U-joints, tires, brakes, shocks, spark plugs, voltage regulator, thermostat, fuel filters, oil and filter, as well as a new air filter.